like my videos is to click on love na my videos. That is the only thing I demand from you. If you like what I do, all this Ezugo right on, we are solidly behind you. I appreciate you. But if you don't share my videos and you don't click on like and love on my videos, you are not my genuine fan. I have to be honest with you. If you don't share my videos, now what I don't understand is I get a lot of messages. Ezugo, you are doing fine. Ezugo, keep doing what you are doing. Ezugo this, Ezugo that. So after doing a video, I wonder where those people are, because I get these messages like how many times in a day. But you will end up running a program about 5,000 or 10,000 people. Yeah, watch. Sometimes, even when them comment your money, you will find about 200 to 300 comments. Sometimes, not all the times. Now, all those 300 comments, let us assume that now, not 200 will comment now. Others will, where are those 200 or 150 people that commented in a positive way? Where are they? If they truly like what I did, why is it that they did not share the video? It becomes the problem. So, how can you be following me, but you don't like my videos to come to your wall? How can you say you are my follower, but you cannot share my video? You ought to go? It doesn't make sense now. It doesn't make sense. You must not be waiting for then share. No. If you join my broadcast, the best thing you can do for me is to share my video if truly you like what I do. But if you don't like what I do, I don't have any problem with that. You ought to go? I can as well assume that you don't like what I do. And the only way for people to be motivated into doing what they are doing is when you see that people like what you do. If people are not sharing that video, what it means is that they don't like what you do. Jude, thank you very much. You ought to go? What they are doing to programs on massive reporting. They report programs massively. If you are not sharing it and you are not liking or clicking on love, then the report will overpower that video and that video will go down. They keep posting. When I resume, they post it again. When I resume it, before you know it, the program ends there. So most people are not even helping us here. I have to be honest with you. I have to be honest with you. I'm not getting encouraged to keep doing what I am doing. Kenneth Shibes, I greet you. I am not getting encouraged to keep doing what I am doing. If I look at the reactions I am getting, I should be discouraged for doing what I am doing. Yeah. If I go by the comment, I'm not commenting anyway, because you can comment, but the best way to spread that message is if you share. That is the only way another person can see that video. Another person can see that video. But if you drop a comment, you have restricted that video to only your view, which is not what we are asking for. We want as many people as possible to see and hear our message. That is the joy of it. So, if you join my live broadcast, the only thing you can do for me, if you don't, I'm not even saying give me money. The only thing you can do for me is share that video so that we can consolidate the message. I don't know. But anyway, let us continue. That program ended. I tried everything possible to keep bringing it back, but at the end of the day, or end there, our people are there like Ezugo. I don't know if I should join the group or team of people that keep lying to our people. I can do excessively well when I join that lying team. That is one thing you don't know. I can perform extremely well if I ever join that team of liars. Yes, if I join our people to start doing eye service na this Facebook, I will do very well. I know that I will do very well. Are you getting me? Ndị be anyị ada like eziokwu. Ndị be anyị na like okwu asị. I don't know why our people just like okwu asị. And you cherish and appreciate those people who lie to you, who deceive you, and who mislead you to the detriment of who? They na-egele okwu asị. You na enjoy okwu asị and they romance your ego. I pointed out the truth. And for the fact that my people who should be helping to be spreading this truth are doing eye service. Everybody they pretend they want to know Wezbo mad. At the right time, one day, we know only Wezbo mad and only Wajon mad. If Wezioku, we know who is Wezbo mad and we know who is Ajon mad. We can do all manner of things to make money. We may make that money, we may enjoy that money. But at the end of the day, we have our conscience. We have our conscience. Look at the video I was making. A video report to that video. Why are you reporting that video? Because I am saying the truth. You want me to start lying. One day, I will bring out 1 week in this Facebook. Use Godo Kwasia. Let me test run it and see how it will move. Then I will compare and see if I am actually doing it right. One day I am going to bring out 1 week to go there see and back to back to 1 week. What you will test here about my 1 year plus of staying in this land, of maybe claiming that I am saying the truth. I want to test both sides to know no kwase they pay much or ezioku with much. I want to test it. I know that I will do it better than those people who are currently doing it. You want to go? What Hebrew Gamena report that somebody came out and said that Nande Dotu Ade Yerum Madaka. Whether na fane nyaka or na fade nyaka, whether na fane nyaka according to you or na fade nyaka, the fact is that message has been passed. Message has been passed, and let us not forget that na ifo Okwuluola Ndị Igbo kwulu weziokwu. Ifo Okwuluola Ndị Igbo kwulu weziokwu. Outside KC Limpopo, our Igbo musicians are not helping each other. They are not helping the upcoming ones to grow. It is not a force. Nobody is forcing you. It is not a forcing matter. Or blow a forcing matter. It's not everybody that can manage to have money. Eh? To honestly Patrick Oga Patrick. That is the honest view. I don't know why that guy will enjoy pull down syndrome. How can you be discouraging people from helping people simply because Nandem unappreciative? Therefore, you will encourage them by how to see the help Mado. That statement alone is supposed to be condemned by, in fact, can go say Ezoku. Only naturally about Ifa Okwuluola Kulu and Ifa Jpac Kulu. Only we gotta condemn Ifa Jpac Kulu. Only his mad. Go and put it anywhere. Only have blessed mad. Only a wisdom John mad. Only a wounded name eye service. Only a wounded name eye service. Yeah. How can you tell me that because I show appreciation that you should stop helping people? What of you? Do you know you may not have been you may not have shown ingratitude to your benefactor, but that your benefactor will he did not count on the person still showed you love. Count also on Shege. Where should the question of the balance? If that should be your, if Jpac message should be your message, then Jpac be a one-man squad. Leave people alone. Hustle on your own. Suffer on your own. Make money on your own. Make money on your own. Stop coming on Facebook every day to come and tell us what people have done for you. These people show me so much love. Despite what you people say about me, despite how you people see a dumb generator, can show me love. Those people showing you love, because I greet you. Those people showing you love. Do you think they have not experienced their own share of this betrayal in Eku? Do you think they have not passed through one thing or the other? Yes, I am asking you. But ndị be anyị pụta cover because you don't want to say the truth. You in a romance yoku, in a bagari yoku okirikiri, and Igbo na-emebisi echi niile una claim ọnụ no ndị na-eme udo. This our brother ana-eto okwu mmanụ na-anyagharị okwu ka okru soup. Ana-anyagharị okwu ka okru soup. Call a spade a spade. Don't stop coming to tell us why people are not helping people. Be a good ambassador. Be an ambassador that helps to spread love. Don't come and tell us where people are not getting it right. Get it right yourself. Let other people learn from you. Look, let me tell you, if we begin to Ebatana trade fair, let me give you a typical example. Ebatana Spanda. There will a lot of ndoga. By first, let me start from Mbaneje, Abatama boy. Emi don, je Abatama boy no Rugu. Or can use one we buy. Emi don, je Abatama boy na Newu. Nwa boy ya zuo yohi. Nwa boy ya zucha yohi. Oje kwa kpọta ọzọ. N'ime ụmụ boy 20 ọkpọtara 5 zuru yohi. Ọ ka na-akpọta ụmụ boy, ọ ka na-azụ ụmụ boy, ọ ka na-esetụrụ ụmụ boy. Although discouraged because of na Emeka onye Nnewi zuru yohi na Tony onye Abaka na zuru yohi, ọ ka na-eje akpọta ụmụazị na-azụ fa. Now let us go to the level of business our people na-eme. Ndị be anyị do good na ọtụ container. Obi Okeke credit, Obi Okafọ credit, Obi Okonkwo credit. Ilepụta ebe nye ya ego. O nwere ndị a na-ebi credit ahụ elechasịcha afịa ha ya akwụ ụgwọ na-achụgharị ha mana aka na-ebi credit n'ime afịa. Na ngụnwa n'idiri ka ebi credit ya like ka ewolu njọ Benjamin wee deny ya ahụ ibi that credit yele when you know that you can deliver. Ya like ka ewolu njọ Emeka, ya like ego dogo na mkpa ijekwu Mishak ka ije gbara ya mbibi. Mishak ewe na-agba na nke onye lu John na John ekweghị okwu na because of that na ọ ya agbaghị that mbibi. Ọ gwaghị na o nweghị ego, ọ gwaghị na o nwere ego mana because of na o nyere Okeke ego, Okeke akwụghị ya na ọ ya enyeghị ya ị ga-like ya. But ngụnwa mana maybe genuinely that you will pay this money and they need this money so much. Ewelu maka njọ onye ọzọ jụ na ya enyeghị ya ebulu ozu onye ọzọ n'isi ọdụka ebu ukwu nkụ. I have always told you that the best way to go through this life is by putting yourself in other people's shoes. Adamekwuye is on 70% of my life. I try to put myself in other people's shoes. I don't like living a selfish life. Obroni live a selfish lifestyle. My brother, calm down. Calm down. It will not take you anywhere. It will not take you anywhere. If I na-eze ka ndị ọzọ na-eze, anyị niile zewe onye ga-awụ onye ọma. Anyị niile zewe ya onye ga-emerụ mmadụ ife. Anyị niile zewe who will help people. Anyị niile zewe ya who will help people. Yes. Everybody always want to talk about who helped them. Who have you helped? Everybody will always like to talk about who helped them, but they will end up telling you the reason batalo hey you help when you're on a need. You see, everybody will like to talk about who helped them, but nobody will want to talk about who they helped. They always have one reason or the other why they don't want to help people. And area ebe anyị esinyelu mmadụ aka ịmanọdụ within your capacity help karịa etu a ịmana ebe ahụ ihe esi wee nyelu mmadụ aka and then ịmanọdụ na within your capacity to help ịmana ife ahụ ịmana ihe emelu mmadụ ịmanụ n'ọdụ oke bịa garantie mmadụ enidiri garantor ka mmadụ wee nweta ife dị otu a ekwuo na ya garanti na-etu ka Mr. John si wee je garantie mmadụ. One day ngụnwa ya enwekwa something ya need kwa ka mmadụ stand their end for you. Onye ya emerụ ya eju na onye emerụ ya iwe But will you be man enough to understand? No reason battle Mr. John Ejiho stand there as a guarantor for you. Who the reason battle Ejiho stand there for Mr. Emeka as a guarantor? Will you be less selfish enough to understand that the same reason Iji will turn Emeka down with the same way Victor will turn down? I am asking you, when you see life, because click on like and love. They keep reporting this program. Share this video if you have never shared this video. Because or I might as well end this program. I might as well end this program. Share this video. Yeah? At least we have about 29 people to 30 people watching. Now we see on mother 10 or mother 15. We're up to mother 20 here. They flow with this message. Say that they flow with it. At least let those 20 people share this program. Let those 20 people share this program. It will go a long way. You want to go? Will you be less reason after each way turn down he help people? Now other people will look because of that reason way turn down he help. Now understand this life will be a better place. But everybody always want to prove that they are exceptional. My own will be different. No, because they stand down as a guarantor. You always want to prove to people that you are different from others. How many times are you willing to give people a chance to prove to you that they are also different from others? That is where the challenge comes from. If you balance life like this, then I live 80% of my life based on that. I am not telling you for you to know, but sometimes I don't really need people to explain their situations to me. I simply understand, because I know that I have been in such situations 1, 2, or countless times. So it is left for me to talk to myself. It is left for me to talk to myself on their behalf. I will simply understand even without them explaining. Yet you are still claiming, being insensitive, that you see, how can Jpac, who always come to Facebook to tell us, in fact, Jpac achieved a lot of things in this life. He has always ascribed all those achievements to people. He has always associated those achievements with people. Meaning that the people are the engine house running your progress. People are the engine house behind your growth. How can you turn around to tell people to stop doing good things because people are not being appreciative? Are you the only person with appreciation? Are you the only person that has the spirit of gratitude? Are you the only grateful person anywhere in Nigeria and Igbo? So why should people be free to be helping you, not minding what they have passed through, but you are discouraging other people from further helping people? If I say Ndị Igbo demand an apology from you, although I may take it too far, but nobody demands your apology. Speak to yourself, talk to yourself, and caution yourself. Sometimes before you make some kind of video, one man on anchor, that video. Came on why we made this video or came in at this video. I repeat, go to all these big. Closer of more. I like asking questions. There is a reason why Ninja like do so many questions. I ask those questions because by my interaction with you, I must learn one or two. When you come closer to all these big men, ask them important questions. There are some questions you should be asking them. It was Nasanya 18 ego. e wosi na sanya ngado na ego o wogharịa shekili igwe inyo ọkpụghe drọwa inyo drọwa ọma ya ka na akpa ka o wepụta ha nke inyo akpa o meghe pidgin hole moto ewe anya n'ime enezi n'anya so na pocket fa so that you can learn one or two from them. Ask them critical questions about their personal lifestyle, about some of the experiences somewhere in this life. It is going to help you even before you get to the quarter level of where they are. Their experience will get all prepared to go through that stage so that you don't even make that mistake and you will still get it right. It will help you. Man, even in my own, if you have big man, so he need that by year or to one attack, so need facing up by you will pay less attention to their lives and experiences. Some of them will bitter this thing. I'm telling you, some of them grown up, they will tell you that this person refused to help me. Then you choose you when you if batalu onya jiweju no ye help here or ego help onya. Those are the questions you should be asking. Because if I family God will jiwe na sustain we if all no na ebelu no wa jiwe na sustain and protect and bless you. You should pay attention to those part of their lives so that you cannot always come to Facebook to come and commit blunder. Imagine, we are all living today at the mercy of people. We are all living today at the mercy of people. That is why Oga na nyamwekwala onye ọ na-akpọ Oga. Ịchọ ọjọọ ife o ji akpọ onye ahụ Oga. Ọgba ife o ji akpọ onye ahụ Oga. Ifu na ife anyị ụba ụdị ego nwere ndị ọ na-akpọ Oga. Ịchọzi eje jụọ ya ife o ji akpọ ndị ahụ Oga. Ka iwe mara. So this help a na-ekwu is a cycle. It keeps rotating. Ma onye ka ahụ mma ị na-elekwasara anya nwere onye ọ na-elekwasara anya for so many reasons. If we all stop helping today because people we have helped in one place or the other refused to show appreciation, or they team up to fight us, or they plotted for our downfall, how do you keep to continue getting help yourself when you know that those people you are going to for help, that some of them have also passed through the same experience in way? If you cannot help people, how do you expect them to help you? If you cannot help people, will you also understand the reason why? In fact, let me tell you, many people, when they give you no as an answer, in a wee way, in a wee way. But do you remember that there are also people, you said no. That reason you might as well be the reason why somebody said no to you. If you expect those people to understand you, are you going to also understand those people who said no to you? It's just like your mother. No, and even respect understand ya. Understand the what is going on. Do you think that you are the problem? I'm telling you. Why? I have said this countless times in my program. Now somebody jelu nanke onye ji ụgwọ welu ebe a wee na-ebukọrọ fan na-ebupu ilo na-eburu fridge na-ebupu ilo ewe jụọ ya o wee sị na ife na-eweghị iwe ewo no na-akpọ this person na phone na onye ekweghị epiki call ya na ọ wụsị danụ na onye apiki call ya. You know we are good at counting those things. Now ọnọdụ a ebe ọ na-ebukọrọ ife na nke onye ji ụgwọ ndị keriva na-akpọ ha ndị pampe oje ọgbaji BBC blọkụ ha akpọkọtara ya na fon akpọ ya blọkụ ndị pampe wee bịa ịkpọ mmadụ ụgwọ na that house wee bịara wee mute. Now kelu ka anyị esi ikpe ngwa ngụnwa achọrọ ka ngụnwa kọwalụ m kelu ka anyị esi wee kpe ikpe akịta ọrụ na iwu ndị pampe ọ na-ịnọ kịta as a judge. Kelu ka anyị esi kpe ikpe ka anyị esi kpe dị ikpe ndị pampe mee ife o mere onye ahụ ọ bịara na nke ọ ya understanding ọ ya forgive ndị pampe ebe ọnụ ọdọrọ na okpuru ndị pampe n'ọnụ everywhere ọdọrọ na okpuru ndị pampe n'ọnụ but ọkwa that same thing ndị pampe ya eme definitely nya ka ọ na-eme another person meaning no were n'aka pass a judgment on himself. I keep telling people now some of the things you make in this life he will not pass your judgment on yourself indirectly. Yes, all na mother sport for reasons which may be justifiable or not justifiable. Allow sport any day such problem arises, Maloney will not pass your instant judgment on yourself. That judgment may be justifiable, justified, it may not be. Why did I say it may? Why do I say rather that? No, we can do justified. Because only we can weigh genuine reasons why he could not accommodate you. Only we can only we can accommodate you based on past experiences by doing the same thing. They got to go on the can so only we can justify only we can do. Now, all na when you melu this thing to somebody. Understand that you have indirectly passed a judgment to that act. Yes, because can accommodate you. I want you to also understand that me saying no to you may be as a result of those two factors mentioned before. It may be because I have done it to somebody before and it turned out bad. It may be that not the conducive to render that help. It may even be that I'm not sure I don't want to do it. Will you understand when it gets to you? That is how we keep running around. Because take it, Okwuluola is the one here, and by what Jpac said, it means that Okwuluola is living that life on our people. Because Jpac went to the extent of reminding Okwuluola what some people he helped in UK did to him. The man simply put all those things behind and he keep associating with those people without bearing grudges. Can't you see that those people, those breeds like Okwuluola are ready to fight? Yeah? Our people are too sentimental. Some of us hate the truth. Thank you, Isuchuku. Albania she goes there, compliment. Eh? You see, it is very sad. Let us stop being sentimental. Mama, if I no, mother say no, I understand this thread. In case mother yes, and mother say yes, I understand. Only a second no, I may understand. Even the so I may understand the word because na mo man or na mma yes. But all one take a decision I'm most likely to take. You simply understand. Life goes on. But the problem I will in Nanibo today, if man you keep expecting people to do it. If a man no product of that can enjoy, you can never give back. There is something we call giving back to the society. When society has been fair to you, it is expected that you will be fair to the society. That society, like we refer to, we mean people. We mean people. Like there are people that the journey of their success today the championed by people at strategic places. For example, in a clearing agent, mmadụ kpojeru kpoje ọga si ọga n'onya kontena ori ego akwụọ akpọrọ ụkpọgharị alụ ndị mmadụ bido shebe ahụ kontena inwe ego echi niile o nwere ikpe ahụ ada ekpe somewhere ịpụta ikpe nsị ịpụta ịnọ n'ebe nwanne na nwanne na-enwe okwu because na onye nke afiluru na nwanne ọbịa yọ nwanne ya biko ya kpọrọ ya ekpojeru Emi Chris ka Emi Chris bibe ya afịa nwanne eju na ọ ya eme ọ na-ewe iwe ịpụta ebe ahụ chefuo na ngụnwawu a beneficiary of such gestures that na somebody extended that gesture to you. Ịpụta ebe ahụ gbọwapụ ọnụ ikwu okwu gbodogbodo ịga ọ bụrụ na onye ahụ kpojeru ndị na-achị ịhụ kọntena chewere ife ahụ nwanne nwoke ahụ na-eche ike benefit were ife iwu today. So let us be careful. Let us be careful. It is very important that na you be careful. Watch what you say. Watch how you take side. Watch your actions. I am saying it. O nwere ike that thing hold o nwere ike hold ụmụ. I am telling you the truth. O nwere ike ngo nwee enjoy chago ye idebe ahụ na ọgago because ọnụ my mom ka nọ wee mụta ife onye go ọgba osi ọgbachie onye go ọgba osi ọgbachie ewezeghu na onye isi rachacha ụdara ụzụta anọ ọ bịakwa sọrọ ọzọ. O nwere ike onye isi ha na-arịfet ahụ ngwa wụrụ ụmụ o nwere ike ọ wụrụ ụmụ sendegharịkwa request ice amami na Facebook ahụ ekwezi sendegharịa request or maybe a drop or comment ka nsị na comment okpobute because ana m akpọbata ụba na okwero ịghọtago some of us ewuru n'aka anyị pass ya judgment on ụmụ anyị na-abịa and you should begin to ask God for forgiveness. Ife na mma na mmadụ n'elu na mma like I am do against it na-eji imeri onye ọzọ. I cannot even justify it karịa emechie m ọnụ mpụta ebe a na-ekpe ụfọdụ ikpe nwanne na nwanne imechie ọnụ you do the part of peace. You try as much as possible to be truthful because of tomorrow. Ife melu eji imeri onye ọzọ inyewe rizi mkpatala anyị eji mee. A lot of ndị ọgaranya go insulted by people they bring closer to them. Yet it has not stopped them from engaging with upcoming youth here and there. O setụrụ go boy 50 10 zuru ya ohi o jiri maka 10 ahụ kpọrụdebe ife a onye goro family members ya 20 aka 5 ga up gbọọ ya onye ọgwụ ego ọ ka na-enyere family members ya aka. Onye goro ndị ọgọ ya aka ụfọdụ rie ego still ọ ka na-enyere ndị ọgọ ya aka. That should be the spirit. Mana ngụnwa pụtazie esi kedu ka esi wee ịma ngụnwa na onwe eru. Do you know where your help will come from? The same thing is support hinder help onye ọzọ can also hinder your help because n'ụwa ka anyị nọ etu a ihu anyị si wee dị iche iche ka experience si anyị si wee dị iche iche. I send the guy a request or a drop or comment can say ebe akpọbata you get me. So let us stop sounding insensitive. Adama like here Jpac and sound so insensitive, and that is the part of his life I don't like. I don't have anything personally with the life of the young man, but sometimes only speaking only to be bad, only speaking only see from a family suffer a kind of neglect, a family do somehow rejected. I don't want to use a harsh word, but that is the way Nsiafu behave sometimes. He is always vindictive in nature for somebody who is growing today because of the benevolence act of people. For somebody who knows that he cannot give testimony of his life today without mentioning the names of people all the way, to always find a way of countering people, helping each other. It is very sad. It is more like cutting that bridge which took you to up. A vessel, gay neglect upon the days of your humble beginning. A vessel going to ladder each way go. Akot upon all
All those people in military on your way up, do not cut them off, because you may need that ladder on your way down. You may need those people on your way down. You ought to go. But what we see today, who people talking down, who people going against the way that took them to the up, that is what we see today. You cannot honestly come out and say, the Ife Patalo musicians say they help each other. The Ife Patalo content creators say they help each other. It's because na help Shande man, or they help at all against them. You have repeatedly said it in your videos that you can never support any upcoming blog again. No one send the message block way or they are charge you kept on saying it. Now I ask you, all these people who are go to see man, sit down with him, tell him to tell you a story. No story do similar to Ivan Kolo. Monkey. Go to Bebioko. Joe Bebioko. No we go. Adam Aponya de Adam. Or they no answer from you. You gotta go. You gotta go. Okay, let me come invite you. I see the comment. Can see a comment to try invite you. You gotta go. Je don't want Bebioko don't know what Bebioko. Joe Bebioko Ajujua. See, Oga, when activities of people in the past discourage you from helping people, why do you still help people? In fact, all Galagani ni mano nanko nenyeru madaka. Joa. Manda nyezi. Ina sana how to stingy. You have failed to understand the reason battle how to do stingy. But you as also if you go experience it, mother pass it through. You say, patego, fully a day you may go. A patabo, but you can really feel patego. It can your help. Where people's experience can still hinder you from getting help. We are not being straight. We are not being straight. I think we ought to say, now my family. And now I'm a family. You employ in the family. They are employ people, not strangers. They are that employ because of the saying. Na non demonye we. Yala lam. Ibe to wonu mon na no. E mwabulu invite CV mmayo. Showa ke no ba mmayo na company. Okwo the same reason need you will turn or down the help people from your area. Why do you want Ibeto to break that particular protocol and not you? You ought to go. It is a simple question. Hey, Oga Patrick, why you far? Jijo, why that Bobatam? Eh? Why if I Jijo know that Bobatam? I really need to interact with people on this particular matter because we need to know where we are getting it wrong. We need to know where we are getting it wrong. If you know how you want other people to relate to you, relate to other people in that manner. Although difficult, it is not a rocket science. If all I are your mad, your mother, you die. You are mad, you die. I may we will. I'm going to say you. If all I are mad, when we were, or mad mem. When you may mad you understand the angle now. You will be so insensitive if you fail to understand simply because it is you in the picture. Are you the only person existing in this world? In this world, we are billions of people existing in this world. What makes you think that this world is always programmed to work in your favor? What makes you to think so? I'm dropping this message. The reason why if you were George Mado, Monya he on the same reason can find the situation can find the you waste two days explaining to people reason in which way to different. How can your own be different? You have committed the same thing each way opposite to one Mado Bible. He who is without sin to cast the first stone, everybody also. Yes, onye ahụ nọ without mmehie buru ụzọ toward the first okwute. You have just finished apologizing yesterday to somebody who forgave you. Today you are telling somebody, I can never forgive you. May God punish me if I forgive you. But he just finish here, he apologized to somebody he feel na no relationship good on your court, you lose a lot. Only feel quite the same way they been going. Now apologize to you. He will look because of a fire in a million where that you can never forgive him for biting the finger that fed him or her. But you have just finished apologizing to somebody who you actually tap the finger say up. Yeah? I think in a major career, if we quit being selfish about this life, it will do us a lot of good. Let us stop being selfish about this life. You don't like giving people lift in your car, but mmadụ gbafee. In fact, onye ahụ nwere ike ọfọdụ gafụ iwewe n'iwe mmiri na-eso ị ha like iburu ndị mmadụ na moto onye ndị ahapụ pịtọsịa moto mana ịfụkwa onye nwere similar thinking with you iwewe iwe kedu ka ị na-ewere iwe ihe eme na ọwụrụ. You cannot do it na ọwụrụ. Nwaanyị ji fiimu na onye ahụ suppose imerụ ihe. If we simply start understanding the way we live our life, we also understand people's own view of how they live their lives. Do you think I put it to you? Now that reason each way they will make it way. Then I justify that same behavior. Never John. I put it to you. John they will in on God the mother or Maketa. Nay your name Bagalubo no Joe. Only can I go since you got to go. I don't know. Only nke na ayo since you better go forgive again. We continue recycling the same lifestyle all over and all over and all over again. How do you want us to get it right? Eh? Yes, network. You gotta go. How do you want us to get it right? We keep being vindictive, especially Jpac. My brother, stop that. Oh, when then I say right on. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Let me give you another example. Ogechi kwuru okwu maka ịgwanụ jebe na 3 ka ije command ya 3 ka o je kwuo Ogechi na ndị ya na-ekwu ikwu okwu maka akụnala tugo tụọ ọrụ na-arụsị onweghị ife ikwu fọrọ maka. How do you keep condemning what you are doing? Will it be right now for me to say that na supposed to human problem? Ebe ọ no na akụnala tugo mere ife condemn way. Why are you doing the same thing? Have you now understand how he felt when he did what he did? Have you now seen the reason he supposed to condemn actions here? Because you may behave in such a way again tomorrow. Okay, let me drop a WhatsApp number here. Onye ọ na-achọrọ ịkọlụ in because afụgo m na this na-ekweghị ka mmadụ bata here. So onye ọ na-achọrọ ịkọlụ in na this program 09615022192. Okay. Okay. I drop go WhatsApp number here. Anybody shall call in by this program. You can call me with this number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes. Bomb na this number. Bomb na WhatsApp. Until you speak out, then you can say what you want to say. Can the man know? Yeah? You see, how are we going to continue recycling this? Many people who condemned Shimarin Temple for ime other Jesus, Ifo Maria, we are the people clapping for Jpac when he took some people to the tree. Who says that now for that thing is bad for Mr. Okeke, that it is good for Mr. Okaf? What is bad is bad. If we continue to do selective justice It will not pay off before your deputy a semoku and the enmity between us all the time. We may not have peace. Selective justice, selective judgment. It cannot grow any people. We can simply say, okay, I understand. If you say, I understand. If you just say, you understand is that you have been in that shoe, you have been in that circumstances. You gotta go. Yes. That is why you simply understand. Hello. One name, you can get them.
The one of the name. Yeah, but I'm one in the
Okay. Well, anything gonna speak out of it's okay, right?
You are free one day.
Okay, we are listening.
Yeah. Okay, one if you know, sometimes I don't sure they lose more than 5 minutes in education I can never life on Facebook because I want to educate that one day with you. One day I know one day yeah what I feel. I watch it more life you know about this I on never go to cool. Emana ụfọdụ ndị ada aghọta ịmana sense a na-enyekwuru sense enye ịmana enwere onye ruru 40 years nwata years kwuo okwu ọkụ onye nwere 40 years wee ọgụ isi.
Yes.
And because if I'm following n'ụwa imitie most of big men ha chebe ife emegwere ha n'ụwa man ha adazi there is nothing like to inye mmadụ ife because n'ụwa anyị nọ n'ime ichebe what people did to you. You only give up 100 naira nye mmadụ.
Yes.
But it doesn't stop onye ọbụla nwere heart of giving and onye ọbụla chọrọ inyere mmadụ aka ka e wee nyere mmadụ aka. Like Okwuluola now for instance. O nwere mgbe a tara agịrị ya na Facebook. A lot of people kọrọ nshe n'ọnụ. Mana ọ stọpụrụ the guy inyere mmadụ aka. No. Ọ ka ya dị enyekwala mmadụ aka wee ruo echi. So ife a nwanne anyị nwoke ji ebe a gepụtara na Facebook na-akọ inyo. Now I have to see akụkọ for nothing sake. I follow many as in the guy na I don't know no na-enekwa onwe ka o mechaa bido na-ejekwa watch bido melu about mmadụ because this thing ọ kọrọ kịta na because if you bịara kịta ime ya analyze ka onye ṅụrụ ala mmiri ọfụma does it justify na ọ ya enyeziri mmadụ aka ọ na ife ọ kọrọ kịta na onye Flavour ndị agazi ndị Igbo artist ya filo fefe ọkọrọ kịta na ka ha ghara inyeziri ndị Igbo ha ghara inyezi upcoming ndị na-agbagota na East aka so ifu na ife ọ na-akọ that of point to the thing ha na-akọ okay ihe niile ọkọrọ kịta na what of ndị na-enyekwara ya aka na social media because abụ nnọọ o welite mike kwuo okwu wee nye ego o nwere ife ọzọ ọ na-alụ ịma na big man justify ebe ife niile a na-ebe o nwere oke chọrọ ọ ego tụchaa big man afọ enye ya aba because big man afụgo a lot of things ọ na-ebe na social media but it doesn't justify big man inyekwu ego ka ọ chọọ inye ego willingly so ife ọ pụtara na social media na-akọ inyo adụrụ irrelevant o kwesịrị otu ọ bịalụ ọ sọpọtụ nye aka ama na people nwere ndị ya ekwutọnụ doesn't mean na anya akwụsị inye aka na enwegasị ndị nwekwara heart of giving and heart of appreciation ka emechaa ofe ife ọma tomorrow. So nwanne m alakịrị m the way isi eme analyze ndị chọkwa n'ịnụkwa eziokwu because enwere people na-anụ eziokwu ya adakwa eke na-anụkwa na-eshare because eshare ego m live na my Facebook na my Facebook page share people to go and listen share ya because enwere a lot of people ya like kwenu okay Obi Kubana for instance ifuru ụmụ bie enwere a lot of people ọ na-enyere aka nwee ndị na-akọ ji ya doesn't mean na ọ ya akwụsịkwa ide enyere aka ọ ka ya dị enyere aka that is a life of a human being with heart of spirit and heart of giving so that is it ịpụta otu ihe na-akọ na onye nke a merego nke a that means na ya ejizi maka nje onye nke a wee ghara inyere a lot of people mba ise no ọtọ ụtọ So can call him, but what I said in everything is that if we and I analyze because a lot of things and in social media and I and deviate from if it was him. Only how much if packet I know it was only not in like easily. Man, if all the magic one we support you at the back of the one.
Thank you, darling.
Yeah.
Darling, thank you very much. Yes. So, if you know that number, in case you will surely call in, you can call in with that number. So, as I was saying, Owulu never anya nefa. Owulu ayengelu maka ayengelu gaka. Nkuma ayengelu mu ayengelu. I will experience side from it. Look, let me tell you. I will go give a wagombo. Obelo nyana gokota. A lot of ndị nnukwu mmadụ not in a position because obere na ya say go maybe fa mana ogaranya nwere ego na-eme ya eme mana ngụnwa obere onye na-asị nwa ahụ akpata ego ụfọdụ n'ime unu experiences ndị ọzọ not even your own experience ka iji wee gba weekend or experience onye ọzọ nwegolu ka iji wee gba weekend gbacha weekend kpaa ya na mba aka ọhụkwụ nke ruo. You cannot say that Namana de Bego Ife Dotua or Namana de Bego Ifa, but you simply learned from the life of Emeka. Are you Emeka? Emeka is not even as wicked as you are, despite him being the victim. I'm not saying we should not be careful. You have to be careful. Being careful is different from imagine. Sometimes I don't jack a lot of the big men because I don't easy. Not Hebrew problem, the Brun can also. And though how when they are, as if when you are at the top, you become the topic. Seko down half of us, I call Makaha. Seko will go to what they are saying. Say betray can water of Ife betray. Kamari, Kamalo, even go on with Ikime. So let us stop that. Let us stop that. There is no atom of preaching that can ever justify the reason why people should stop helping other people. Only in another kind of preaching. It shouldn't even be a topic of discussion. It shouldn't even be a topic of discussion that you will come on Facebook to come and discuss why people should not be helping other people. Yes, rather, you should come on Facebook to tell people why they should help despite what they are passing through. Because na nne mochie sịrị na onwere onye ma nke o ji wee dụ amara m nke m ji wee dụ gụnwa na onwe elu ịmara nke iji wee dụ ọkarị ihe etu ahụ. We can do better on this Facebook. Let us stop exhibiting all these characters and exhibit for tomorrow, for posterity's sake. Oga Patrick.
As you go.
Compliment of the season.
I wish you the same, my brother.
Yeah, phone to the speaker.
Yeah, as you go, I got very fast. Never now conduct again. More one woman in 9 years before I'm wrong wine. I forgot to go mother now from Nigeria to here. None of them go full of 8 months. If we are John Melonia, no 8 months, na them totally all. Well, even the young man and Canary comes where edge will out from the wall. Well, look all the same, take for 8 months, West Jebe, got us yellow, all of yellow on his own.
Yes.
Totono, we had to tackle me on, no, go was over. Listen, can you never them forever? Look at us, track, yeah, tissue, we'll go back to you. In my tissue, come on something. Or you go get a movie. More everything. You know, all the take here, you pay go, or stay when I just call one and here. At the end of what he is, this guy and I am on.
Yes.
Only cause them for 2 years, God of them. Well, but I'm not sure or not in your family, since young. One one, she will have a mother be a demon, baby, and a for almost 9 months before young guy. aka ya sị na ma ya enyere mmadụ aka. The only thing bụ na nwere ndị bụ ndị ọjọọ. The only thing bụ ịchọ ime ihe ọbụla ị na-eme ime anya na ịchọ ihe bụ maka Chukwu. Just forget about it. Ije ya n'obi na o nwere ihe ihe erite n'aka onye a. Because those people say enwere ihe nchọ irite n'aka ha, not just to so appreciate what ihe ọzọ dị there. Because o nwere ihe ha ga-emelụ m. Ịghọtago? Ọgwa ndị nke ọzọkwa ndị debekwara be m mechakwa apụkwa bịa anya even were ego sef. Ịghọtago? Ndị nke a mere appreciation. Ọ nwere onye ndobe na be m I keep him. At the end of the day, even more, go say I need 1,000 pounds. Wait, you talk me back or something. No, also no. It's for the thing now. Yes. Appreciate that. That's what I appreciate. So you got to my guest. I don't hear you got to because you know that you man what never hear me. I don't know anyone else, but we don't do things like that. You understand? Yes. So can you matter go or he lift order, he lift the orders. That's how it works. In an anya get million. No. You don't actually email help. Well, because that's it. If I only know you like how I can hear. Funding get back in. If I knew money like all 3 million. So can you know I saw take it up now. One of them again. I think I had you. I want to have to tell us that man. I want to if I know now. He has a million but don't hear only 1 million years. Also, yet it also is an amateur here. So, if I can we are as a pulling down, so much video on the and then I video that actually no video. What was so contrary to that? Yeah, see you. Now, I'm going to put those to say stake. On I want to that is your name. So my brother, yesterday. Hello, my brother.
Thank you, sir. Hello. Thank God na aka nwere ndị be anyị ndị ka na-eche dị echiche ka mmadụ. You should run a program separately talking to those people who are being ungrateful to Ifeoma Meruha. Run a program separately addressing those people. Never use their behavior to justify or push our people into stopping to help other people. You still need help. Or they can need your help. Some other people may borrow from that message. Well, turn all down na favor your marriage need. Need your help. Have you arrived? Jpac. You arrived, bro. You are still struggling. You are still even if MC you are still learning. All name of money in LM. Jejo Ndedu Koloma. Orange Network. Oppressor. Jejo oppressor. Oppressor warrior in a look oppressor now. Oppressor is there. You are there. Meaning you still want to grow up, do oppressor, or really create content or remake comedy. Go and ask people like Apama. Those guys have grown. You are still praying to grow and achieve the level of success. It is still people that will take you to that place. Those people never feel in a Kwanya. Are they going to do it? Everybody wants to receive, but nobody wants to give. Everybody wants to be heard, but nobody wants to hear anybody. Everybody wants to be understood, but nobody wants to understand anybody. That is the life we are living. And it's very bad. It is very bad. There is nothing in this life that can justify not helping people. We may understand the reason why you refuse to help someone, but it is not justifiable. I repeat, so that you can quote me right. We may understand the reason, because mother I understand, but Call to Konunya understand your plight, or Nunya understand your pain. We understand, but I no one email that thing. Never cannot justify you not doing that. You wanna go and talk to people, go and discuss with people. Ụfọdụ ndị mechalụ trenu ụmụ ọnkụ ha na skuul. Ọnkụ ha jụ na onye trenu ha mgbe ha gara agụ akwụkwọ. Ọnkụ ha gbasara ha wikend. Ụfọdụ ndị ọga esetụrụ ha ụmụ bọyị ha mechalụ nwee daa ụmụ bọyị ha ahụ. So that the reason why their children do just out today. I feel that it's a special blessing in doing that. So in terms of teaching our people how to revenge, how to be vindictive, or how it is very bad. There is no level of message that can justify that. Yes. For example, Namamado Bulunwayo, I'm not talking to anybody in particular. Namamado Bulunwo Kompo. Okonkwo wepụta niile wee fụ nwa Mr. Emeka gburu nwa o wee were ife wee pịa nwaanyị isi ọkọwa pains ọ na-efe iru maka nwa ya mpụ onye ọ pịawara isi gburu. We understand your pain, we understand how you feel, but it's supposed to be pịawa nwa isi. You understand the difference. We understand the pains the father might have caused you, because I will not also want to lose my child. So I understand the pain in a pass through for losing your child. But that is not why you should break the head of this innocent boy. Yes. Even though the man who made it far, people will still tell you that people will still understand why you did that, but they will still not justify your actions. That is it. There is nothing you can do to counter helping people. If you don't want to help people, go. Don't even say it. For example, if you make gongwa na menwehu, emano na menwehu, emano na menwehu, emano reason me njishu na ma yenyehu. Man, I can answer you politely by saying I don't have. Whatever thing is, you know, or don't know. But trying to be saying, now reason that need help who because of if do to. Yeah? Everybody not around you, bido count over if email fact. I quote again, I've said it before. 60% of why you are angry with some people today, you have done the same thing to so many people. I keep repeating. It's just that honor, if I honor me let me remind you people the story I've always told you people here on Facebook. That is why India do very careful in every single thing. You want to go? If you na about nde makaha, if you na about nde yawaputa and I slander from mother, I know why I am saying that, because I will not like the same thing to be done to me. Now, if onye name that thing and ekwu maka ya, emechie m ọnụ, it is because share this program. Or to go and kiss you, she got her back. They will keep reporting it until no fail again. Or to go and kiss, she got her back. They will keep reporting it until fail completely. Do not allow this wonderful program to go off, I beg you. You gotta go. And I click on like and love. Yes. It is because I don't like when you continue to slander somebody's name. But to some extent, the best way for you to understand is is for you to have a taste of that thing. Yes, but not using what is done to relate to other people. Let me tell you why some marriages are suffering today. Let me tell you why there is no peace in so many families today. Let me tell you why your business partner seems like he doesn't trust you. Are you aware that the reason why all these things are happening is because these people are judging you with experience hanging with another person? I am asking you. For example, fiancé ye oshobole numbo ne shiti on him. Owe mudeye, owe molo, iwe tabasi afufo. Fiancé ye na ya no hosi committee. Yes, Kena, or now monitor see you, or you quick a poor, or you quick a do free, or you quick socialize ya, or now monitor a natasia fufu njonyo so. Afufu njonyo so Kena tazina your marriage. Yeah? Afufu njo another person, Kena tazi business partner you could have to struggle. You could name one you don't know who tell you. If you not our afufu njonyo so, or if another person meluye. Go na agwachizi ke ga ime ye only female, and you may be honest, you may be straight, but no njo onye ọzọ ke na ata afụfụ ye. You want to go? Etu osi wee nwude fiancé ye ọchọbụrụ ịnụ mbụ nwụna oge ọwụna ọ na-esogharị na-eme kọl ofuzie elu ka ị na-eme kọl wuti nwanne m ọka ị na-eme owolukwe na-efe ahụ esi emerụ ka ị na-eme. Ị na-ata afụfụ ife imehụ. Ị na-ata afụfụ ife imehụ. Nwa bọyị mbụ akpọtara usoro ya ezigbo ohi. Akpọta the second nwa bọyị a atabazi afụfụ ohi nke onye izizi zuru, and onye nke a nwere ike ọdụ honest. The reason why people are failing to give you a chance, no matter how much you ask of that chance, is because they are learning from the experience they have went before. Do you like it? You don't like it. You like it, eh? You will want to be given equal opportunity. Into a way when you get disappointed. That is how life is. Now, if you don't like it, do not support it. Do not support it. Yes. Do not support it. That is what I am saying. Because the trees we plant today will provide shelter for our children tomorrow. That evil or bad thing you support today, it will fight back tomorrow. And in that situation, you may not even think to know that, hey, manana baby, that thing be a hey, so never we found that we feel so need to goes away to one or be in that kind of life. You will always be very careful. You will always be very careful. There is a reason why I don't build 90% of my life and everything around money. Only because I know how money is. But to so many people, ego can easily say, look na hoku. Ego can easily say, look na hoku. But when you use your life and your so many places say, no, be in genuinely no we follow activities of others will be or will be and we can worry about the if you know you marry drunk, if you know you marry drunk, you believe you know misunderstanding. Do not repeat it when it comes to your time. Since they understand, go that same situation occur. Handle it carefully. That is the only way you can show that they understand them. Man, all that you make people in Kenny Melu, a man, no will born again. Yeah, So we will eliminate 70% of enmity I keep, malice and the obo I show. If we understand the reason people which will take different decisions are taken, never. If you understand that there is possibility that when you find yourself in their condition, that you may not resist doing the same thing happen, then why are you complaining? Understand. Water pa, manomo nyoso. Water. Oh man, he explained the way. Yes, he explained the way. Nwanne ka iwu na Ndị Igbo, the rate Ndị Igbo si is spread hatred and division among. It is beginning to be of a concern to me. If it is not to you, then I'm on the Wonya Hausa. I'm on the Wonya Hausa. Click on like and love. Maka wobeloge. Nde Hausa na Ndocha. Hana dash me na page me. Where I report to page me. Mbido hafowa Sanusi Saliman, Arim Mascot, Michelle Sisiniva. Mbido hafowa for that far. Abaron na Harlan the one from Ebehan. Because Hana Dan on only when Bido program. But no one able to make a Halo na program or to come on a Kodisi. Mana Ugolonye Nagwa in particular. I am speaking from the deepest part of my heart, and I expect you to understand it that way. You want to go? There is no justification. Justify it discourage mad help mad. No, there is nothing like such. Yes, if people count their experiences, nobody will help you. Nobody will help me. The same help I need deliver. Manu take in Unya Helot into in Trosso, or what in Trosso mad, or where the valley. Or any whole try. How will that person be convinced? So the same way, if you support them, you do not people try before judging them. That is the same way or the same faith that will be before you. Because when you go that trial, and I see me for battle, Munonia chicken business, would because na me fail who yet. Kerukonya city when you task at all, each way proof Ronya, me fail. Why you allow Konya? Konya try as many people as possible. Perhaps out of 50 people, I am over 30 Dokayo, I am over 30 deliver Kayo. Man, he just said that justify in the mother use experience here. Where should I hire them in the Madaka? How else were you put into trial? How else did you prove yourself? If not because you were given an opportunity. So why are you coming against giving other people that opportunity? And it does grow till today. And it does cannot appreciate it. Everybody plays an important role in his musical journey. Even the people you don't know. And he has never forgotten even a commonest person than Newi Nyeriaka in his musical journey, music journey to fame. If we can have people like Annie does, why will Jpac encourage Philo and the Flavor not to help people? Because they help them mother. I appreciate it. I am asking you, if we can have somebody like Annie Dons and so many other people who always show appreciation, who always talk about people who help them. The day over 10 years ago on the microphone, he said a lot and I pick a lot from Ifoku. Yes. All no onye go na eme business last 10 years. Na go na can eme business today. Or can they do after? If you go you show go yourself approved. How else did he know that you are honest? If not because he tried you. Do you honestly think that before he tried you, he has not tried other people that failed? If he has be looking at those people that failed. How else Kikezi Adasa, Ake Ushomano Mona, Omeora one of Enubuku, Akwabata one of Umuchi, Idejim one of Newi. It is because somebody gave you an opportunity. It is because somebody did not look at his past before giving you a trial, which you proved that you are different. There must be an opportunity before you prove that you are different. So don't start to say, no, because of not trying to deliver. How did that person come to a conclusion to trust you after many people has betrayed his trust? It is an intelligent question you should ask yourself. So don't come and start bragging to us of how honest you are. Without trial, nobody is going to see how honest you are. But you are here denying other people opportunity to be tried. You are here denying other people opportunity to show themselves. You are here denying other people opportunity for their talents to manifest. It is not good. It is not good. Let somebody take this message to Jpac. Tell Jpac that he should stop moving at the rate Osi move. He is too destructive for my liking. The way he dish out destructive message is very bad. Messages is very bad. How can you honestly support that? That you are supporting Fino and Dote? What of Ngoma? Do you think that there are no people who feel somehow that they did one favor to you in the past, but you have let them down? Do you think honestly? Yeah? Do you think there are no people who will say, I did this thing for Jpac, and Jpac today, often will not blog, we hear that every day. But we all get our seat here down the draw. You will defend yourself from beginning to end. You will tell me how he is lying. In fact, you will like to belittle it, shrink it into a sand. Yes. Let us be very careful. This life I know now too deep. Don't come out, don't rush out to come and start defending nonsense. Don't rush out to come and start defending nonsense. It is support because of you still need help. The same fate will be before you. Yes. The same fate will be before you. Yes. When one of my friends literally just stand there as a guarantor to somebody able or shut along, I almost wanted to advise him. In fact, they couldn't something. Then along the line, I have to give him my consent. Because I said to myself, what of all can't guarantee him something. Because of one thing or the other. Will I be happy? I will not be happy. So why will I support another man who has taken a decision? He is not even thinking if he's going to do it or not. Just a joke about my honest opinion. Because he joined my honest opinion. I will tell you my honest opinion, then I will tell you, but if this is what you choose to do, and that is if you ask me. But if you have taken a decision to do something, I may not discourage you, only because that thing would same thing you will get. And don't yawe far that thing I said, I always say it, that during the time when matter of your dossier and the mail cannot appeat big. A lady, and you go, I greet you. A lady will be in a comment section where they can even make the Tilimbu Bagale. No men and Igbo support on one and multiple wives. She said it being so insensitive because na you on Facebook, or maybe because not the same way I see at the because everybody want to give judgment. You will always change the direction of that judgment when you are the person not involved. You will begin to see things you did not see when you melted the same faith on somebody else. You will begin to reason the same way you did not reason when it wasn't your brother, when it wasn't your relative, when it wasn't your in-law not involved, because usually only we have any connection with us, only apple part of us, we always judge that person differently. But I am telling you to an extent, 60% how I live my life. The woman where the child or more than the just screenshot or comment here. Oh, so na mama honey, na munye mo like any man one 5 months. When I so what a man yamona na kubori mona 1 0. Oh, okay, we yes time 1 month to 2 months that. Okay, we one nwanyị mụrụ ya nwa n'iro kata wu n'imuru nwanyị wee niile wee gbagharịwa from platform to platform wee gbagharịwa na Facebook si jee yọba dị yo nekwa ife mere o wee sị na the moment ọ complain jee wee wụta Facebook ya ebe o screenshot rụ comment wee gosi wee sie nne ọnụ ngụ nwe comment a ọ dị ndị ebe ọkwa nne ya comment ro mana ọ cruise ka ọ na cash na o minu he. How can you be cashing cruise with another person's pain? How can you honestly be cashing cruise with another person's pain? This is the pain of somebody. Just like the way people cash cruise with Omu Mr. Ibu, just like the way people cash cruise with Omu Ameshimo, you will always feel that pain when it is your father that we are cashing cruise with Omu. That is the only way you will tell us that you're not supposed to give respect to anyone. That is the only way. You way thinking. Yeah, you may find out restore factory setting. Yes. 2 incidences. I was driving na Zambia, Independence Avenue, One Hills, GRZ, the Government Republic of Zambia. Run into my car. Immediately after State House, we were break. The man went to this man and called a book to go motum. Who can follow the man who did to or GRZ, a government worker. Ever hot traffic recover who about 3 houses after State House. 3 houses after State House, I can take advantage of getting as much money from this man. He won't even hesitate to give me that money. Yes. When Clement, you see, man, the lady are that condemn get activities of day, but all justified here somewhere else. We are heading to somewhere. The man and I said, he said, no. Buy motor drive for. If I'm not because only Bodo, a comote, a motor. Also, when you want a brush, you move it. You are already a motor. Otonyo Bodo Shabe, Jisapa Nigeria. Bata na April last year. Yes, Abata na April last year. Okay, we shall no Christmas. Yes, okay, we shall no Christmas na 2023. Or 2023, no, 2022. Ejuwe Bata 2023. When Chigata na January, February, March, it should be ending of March or April last year. So my cousin be put in the airport. Okay, my cousin be put in the airport. I went up na airport gate. Ka ikuzi ụgwọ that place ọ na-eme ịpụtanye ha ụgwọ ekwu ụgwọ ka ị chọrọ ịkwụ ebe ahụ ife ọsọ anyị nụrụ n'azụ ahịa ewu gboo wee kurie back boot moto ahụ ọwụ na that man na Zakọ anyị lituo onye obodo anyị na-enọ ha dutu na-aba na snap nọmba plate the man lituo the man agbakasị ọda ahụ the man lituo wolu kaadị enye anyị worukwa kaadị insurance company ya nye anyị si anyị we should take the motor to insurance company ahụ I know that we should nchịkọrọkwa kaadị ahụ nye chiri that man onye obodo na-aba si na onye wuru the kaadị bla 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 ọ na-aba anyị banye moto pụọ olu echie niile buru moto pụta na town lụwa moto lụchasịa moto in fact my cousin self mụ na ya zọbara onye ya alụ the moto because na nye nwa na onwe ya enwe okwu nsogbu. Now let me ask you a question. Ịghọtago wute ife a ngwalụ malụzie na aja amụ ha moto gị bawa ichefuo onye aṅụ na nga na oyiwa anahọ o mebụghị 1 week nji wee gocha moto m Highlander m 2 gates away to my house ka one guy eji Highlander 2013 model wee pịagide azụ bọmba m ife a ka dị na moto ahụ wee ruo taa litu abalị m ezigbo mba mana ama nnọọ na mba ka m ma abakọrọ ife niile a bikos na ama nna m anya agwada guy nyanye m ego abalị m ezigbo mba mmecha hapụ that guy. Mmadụ one ya eme bikos ịdụ perfect ihe enwe accident ịhada azakọrọ na phone mana aya pọs brain ru mgbe ahụ you will forget that you can be a victim of this. Na-aba na ya kwụrụ ụgwọ alụgharụgharụgharụgharụgharụgharụ eko nke mmadụ echi niile ikwu otu wee Matthew chapter agụnụ ichetaba were obi chukwu nyagharị na ntụ ahịa esi wee ku nke rụọ ọhụ nke mmadụ ka ịkụrụ ife. I give you another thing. Mmadụ bụ moto wee na-abata wee pụta n'ụzọ mmadụ wee pịa moto nye moto ya ezigbo damage o wee na-aba kpọọ ndị polisi abịa onye bọọsụ kụrụ ya so ọ gbatara onye bọọsụ anya o wee gwa ndị polisi you people should go and lock him up until onye nwe bọọsụ apụta provide ego anyị eji were moto a. Ọha na eze ndị Igbo gbakọọ na-ayọ ya ọ na-aba how can he be careless kere ebe driver's license ebe ọwụ na the man eji driver's license ọ sị ya ọ kwefụrụ ya kelee onye dị ife ahụ biri onye a moto. In fact na that man biri onye a moto bịa si detain all the man. How can you give an unlicensed driver moto ka o buru moto na-akpagharị n'iro ọ na-aba na-eji ya ọma mechaa maka police station ọ kpọrọ uwe ebe ọdụ friendly to wee kpọrọ onye ahụ wee jee kpọchie the man akpọzie oge na phone oge gbawalụgwa maka ndị a na-ego bọọsụ bụ high purchase a na-agbagheri na-akpọ ya na phone ka iyi o wee nagido wee nanụtebe ha mmadụ wee mee ya ka ebiri be ha ọ na-ajụzi ha kedu ife na-eme wee gwere na nwanne nwoke ji moto wee gbu mmadụ n'ihu na ndị mmadụ tiri ife bifo polisi wee kpụrụ ya onye moto o wee wuru ofu moto ye ka nwanne nwoke ji wee gbuo mmadụ by mistake n'ilo etiwuchana the guy even to the point that na achọrọ ịmụ moto ahụ ọkụ. I am telling you a true life story. It may look like it's a coincidence, but it happens. It is a true life story. I am not telling you a story so that you can know. This is a true life story. Sometimes come and be quicker than you can ever imagine. Until the guy bullshit before we blew the guy we to a police station. The guy went on about now one nwoke ahụ onwe license because younger brother ntụ anyị awụ mgbe aha anyị nọ n'ụlọ anyị buchata moto nna anyị ma moto nna anyị eburu rush je kpachara ofe okiri batakwa etu a ka the guy wee buru moto ahụ wụọ wuti ndị otu ya na skuul ịghọtago ụmụ akwụkwọ nọ secondary school ka e wee jekwa mee ya makwa ndị anyị ịghọtago wee pụọ ebe ahụ wee wuo moto ahụ wee gbuo mmadụ wee buru the guy chiri itu nwunye even amụcha na moto ọkụ buje na police station agwaghị ya ozugbo otie and the guy enweghị license ọzụkwa manslaughter ahụ ọkwa igbu mmadụ ka ọwụ the guy wee tie wee lachapụ ọsọ wee ruo na police station wee hụsịrị anya mmiri wee yọba the rest is history. Now I am asking you, if you are a judge that has seen this from a screen, how are you going to give this judgment? How are you going to give this judgment? Are you going to tamper justice with mercy for somebody who has no atom of mercy? Ọwụrụ na mmadụ kụrụ moto ye, o wee kpochiri na ya alụ ya, o wee lọkụọ mmadụ up, wee si onye biri onye ahụ moto enweghị laịsensị bịa tikpụrụ ya dewe. What of ọwụrụzie nọ onye nke ya ka egburu, ọ ya kọmandị ndị mmadụ si were okwute tụgbuo onye agburu nwanne. Do not expect what you cannot give. What you cannot give, do not expect it back. This life is full of give and take. This life is all about give and take. It is not give, and not taking. And it is not taking, and not giving. If you examine your life very well, you will understand the principle of give and take. How do you want me to judge this case? Do you want me to tamper justice with mercy that he has failed to understand that language? He has failed to understand that language while dealing with Onye Kolomote. So I will leave you now to judge this matter and tell me if you are a judge in this matter, what will be your judgment? So many of us need to fight. This is how our life is. You always want people to listen to you, but you don't have time to listen to people. You always want people to understand you, but you don't have any business in understanding people. I am telling you that life is not like that. But if you feel that life is like that, continue. One day experience will teach you better. There is no justification in stopping people from helping other people. Only they may stop it. There is no justification why you should not even help people. It is good to get upset. It is good to talk. It is good to react. But I'm telling you, there is no justification in seeing where you are going to help somebody. Go cover something. Where do you need help? I may understand the reason why you are trying to do that, but I will never justify you for doing that, except on Abraham. If people can be helping us, if people can still be giving us opportunity, if people can still be trusting us, I don't see why you cannot help people. You cannot trust people. Onye mara asụ ya sụọ n'igwe mana onye amaghị asụ ya sụọ n'ala. Jpac, stop being insensitive. This life is too deep. Onye nene onwe ya akwụkwọ ọ na-apa asị mana onye ọzọ nene ya akwụkwọ onye ogbu na ọgịrị ya eju ebe niile. Do not talk down on the lifter that is carrying you, or else that lifter you drop, you will have a taste of your own judgment. I still remain your favorite Ezugo.